Yeah. Yeah. It's the return of the wild style fashion and smash.
Did I turn you off?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
How you doing, young lady? Feeling that you give it really drives me crazy. You don't have a plan like a joke. I was head along for the first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. You're looking for her in the daytime with the light.
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try, give me one chance.